Discover a rare corner terrace in the heart of East Coast, District 16. This home offers spacious, landed living with a huge garden and a 99-year leasehold, with 69 years remaining. Enjoy an expansive outdoor garden, perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. The spacious living room opens to side land, giving you even more room to unwind. The first level also features a helper's room with bathroom, utility area, and both wet and dry kitchens. Head upstairs to a huge master bedroom with an attached master bath. There are 5 ensuite bedrooms, plus a helper room for added flexibility. The second floor family area is filled with natural light and offers serene greenery views. This corner unit is just a short walk to the Dock South MRT station and nearby amenities like the Community Center and NTUC. Enjoy easy access to East Coast Park and major expressways. If you're looking for space, greenery, and convenience, this beautiful corner terrace could be your next home. Contact for price details and make this prime East Coast property yours today.